We've just recently completed the kitchen renovation of this townhouse. I'm going to show you before and after and take you through the process. Hoping this gives you some ideas and maybe some inspiration. The first thing that I did, and the biggest change, was removing the walls that was closing the kitchen area. By doing that, I got more lights coming through those windows to the rest of the floor. The color theme that I was working with was blue, gray, white, and gray brown. I chose dark gray brown for the floor, dark navy blue for the island, and the countertop does have variety shade of gray, brown, blue, and white. The kitchen cabinets are white with the backsplash that does have texture, and it does have a beautiful gray blue color. The other thing that I would like to talk about is the cabinet. All the doors that we designed is soft close. I also do like full extension for the drawer. So when you're opening a drawer, it should be able to open completely. When I was choosing a pendant to go over the island, I had a challenge with a drop ceiling that is on top of the island and is totally on the wrong spot. What I decided to do is choose a pendant that only have one junction box, but it's more linear, so it covers the whole island as much as possible. I chose a modern fixture that it has slightly wavy looking to it, and I think it goes very well with a pattern that is on the island as well as the backsplash. I designed a pantry, but in the side panel of the pantry, I have this door that is hidden. So when you push it, it opens. There are shelves inside for my clients to put their stuff in, sunglasses, keys. It's just a little hidden space that my client can put their stuff in. With a new kitchen design, I had to do something with the old fireplace. So we resurfaced the fireplace, and I've designed a mantle to go around and turn. I also designed a storage to be underneath with the push to open doors. Also, I've designed few floating shelves to have some decoration on. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you next time.